Welcome to our channel where we bring you expert advice on various health topics. In this video, we will discuss some effective lifestyle changes that can help you cure tinnitus instantly. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by ringing or buzzing in the ears, and it can have a significant impact on your quality of life. By making simple adjustments to your lifestyle, you can find relief from tinnitus and enjoy a better overall well-being. Keep watching to discover some helpful tips and tricks. One of the key lifestyle changes to cure tinnitus is to follow a healthy diet. Certain foods can aggravate tinnitus symptoms, such as caffeine, alcohol, and high-sodium foods. On the other hand, some foods can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the ears, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and nuts. Including these tinnitus-friendly foods in your diet can make a noticeable difference in your symptoms. Stress has been linked to worsening tinnitus symptoms, so it's crucial to find effective ways to manage stress in your life. Engaging in relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga, can help calm your mind and reduce tinnitus-related stress. Additionally, engaging in regular physical activity, such as walking or cycling, can also alleviate stress and promote overall well-being. Exposure to loud noises can contribute to tinnitus, so it's important to protect your ears. Whenever you are in a noisy environment, such as concerts or construction sites, make sure to wear earplugs or earmuffs to minimize the impact of noise on your ears. Taking these preventive measures can help reduce the frequency and intensity of tinnitus symptoms. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for overall health and can also alleviate tinnitus symptoms. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom quiet and dark. Avoiding caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime can also contribute to better sleep. By prioritizing sleep, you can give your body the rest it needs to heal and reduce tinnitus. In conclusion, making certain lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on curing tinnitus instantly. By following a healthy diet, managing stress, protecting your ears, and getting enough sleep, you can alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive approach to treating tinnitus. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thank you for watching.